little Irish lilt for the song here, Nightingale. May the bird be heard singing in your heart, longing for heaven now. There's a bird singing, he's singing in my heart, so little and precious, constantly calling for food. But a lion and a white wolf have asked me to feed them too. A monkey and a black crow make louder noises than you. They protest me and clamor for their appetites to subside. And I have tried to please them as your little voice I hide. Whoa, Nightingale, sing to me once again. Stubbornly sing away for this bird who is singing, he's still singing today. Whoa, Nightingale, sing to us once again. Oh, heaven and the Lord who is our friend. Oh, secret still to be told. Heaven awakens as the mystery unfolds. Sing to us once again of heaven and the lover who is